Hello everyone, this is Michelle Lynch with Keller Williams Roswell. I had the pleasure of showing yet another property in Decatur, Georgia. This is an exclusive listing by Lisa McPherson of Heritage Oak Realty. In this video, I'm doing a short tutorial on how to utilize the Down Payment Assistance Connect tool that is linked in my bio in the event that you found a home and you really want it and you need help. So this tool will tell you how many and who is offering down payment assistance in the area you desire to buy. It will provide you with the criteria. It will provide you with the amount. So I want to show you precisely how to utilize the tool. Once you've clicked on the link, it'll take you to this page and you'll enter in vital information, the address of the property you're interested in buying. It'll ask you how many units, how many people are going to be residing in the home. If you are currently a home buyer, if you aren't, as you can see there, I've gone through the steps so that you can actually see. Now, if you notice on the top there, it says that there are 11 programs. 11 programs in this region that is offering up to $12,000. $12,000 in down payment assistance. Hello. I mean, I was listening to the radio and they're giving $10,000, but you got to guess a number. You don't have to guess any numbers with this, love. You put the numbers in and it will generate everything for you. This is a seamless process. I promise you, I am thorough. And the tools and resources that I have to make your home buyer dreams a reality are thorough as well. So once you have put all the criteria in, right, you're going to give your name, your telephone number, and your email address, and it'll instantly give you all of the details that come with the program, who's offering the money, how much money. My services are available. You can also utilize the link to schedule a consult.